I'm going to read for you today the book called Fly, Flock, Fly. A group of birds is called a flock. These are Canada geese. Some flocks of birds fly. They flap their wings. Black-headed seagulls and mallard ducks. Some flocks float. Swan and coots. They swim together. Swans. Some birds form flocks to find food. They look for flowers, seeds, and bugs. A family of birds. Some birds form flocks to keep safe. These flamingos fly away from danger. Flamingos and hyena. Some flocks of birds fly in a V shape. Geese. Some flocks of birds look like a cloud in the air. Starling. Some flocks of birds have flashy colors. Flamingos. This flock has flown far. It is time to rest. So, to find out more, bird flocks for many reasons. Flocking helps birds find food and keep warm during cold months. Flocking also protects birds from danger. Flocks can include more than one type of bird. Mixed species flocks usually share a food source. Many birds form extra large flocks when they migrate. They travel from one area to another in huge groups. Red-billed Keelias form the world's biggest flock. One flock can have hundreds of million birds. In Denmark, starling flocks are called the black sun because they are so big they block out the sun's rays.